Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial for beginners for Pagepilot AI. If you are launching a dropshipping store in 2026, the old way of doing things is officially dead. You can no longer spend 4 hours manually copying AliExpress images, writing mediocre product descriptions, and guessing your CEO titles. By the time you publish your products, your competitors have already launched and scaled their Facebook ads. So speed is everything, and today I'm gonna show you how you to use the exactly cheat code, which is called Pagepilot AI. This is an AI-powered Shopify page builder that is gonna take a raw AliExpress or Amazon link and transform it into a high-converting, psychologically optimized Shopify product page in under 60 seconds. Okay, so we're gonna do this exactly in this tutorial. First, we're gonna talk access. Okay, now Pagepilot is gonna offer a few tiers, but if you're a beginner, the Elite plan of $39 a month is what you're gonna be looking for. But before actually subscribing, you can start your free trial, okay, which is great. So what's gonna happen now is that you're gonna be redirected to this video of this guy talking, and you can either watch it or not. And you're gonna have this little form in here that is gonna ask you to, copy your product link from AliExpress or Shopify. But it can also be Amazon, which is what I'm gonna do today, okay? So just select a product that you like or that is your own, and you can just paste it in here. In my case, I'm gonna select some headphones, okay, from Sennheiser, from Amazon. And the language is gonna be, of course, English. And I'm gonna just generate a product page. And it's gonna start loading all of the product data. It's gonna start to scan everything. Okay, and it's gonna take easily under 60 seconds, as you can see in here. And now you're gonna be welcome to the dashboard, okay, once you upload your first product, which is great, fantastic. Now this is something that you can do, of course, but you can also directly connect your Shopify store, okay? So I'm just gonna go to stores in here, and I'm gonna click on connect the Shopify store, okay? And now this is extremely simple. The only two things you need are gonna be basically your Shopify, URL that you can basically copy from your admin Shopify URL. And you're also gonna need your API keys. And to get this, you're gonna have to go to your admin section in Shopify, then go to develop application, create a custom new app, and grab the API token. So just paste everything in here, and boom, your official sync. Now guys, if you do not already have a product, Pagepilot actually spoon feeds them to you. So one of their best features for 2026 is the 10 daily winning product list, okay? So the algorithm is gonna scrape social media and supplier data to give you 10 untapped products every single day, okay? So you can just come to research and you can see every single product that they're recommending in here. And of course, you can just generate, or you can see their website or this Facebook ads, all right, as you can see in here. They have different products and different ads for them. The other thing is that you definitely need a subscription in order to see this, okay? This is not gonna work under the free tier plan. But once you click on the website here, it's gonna show you different statistics, such as, the profit margins, the supplier links, and it's gonna give you a lot of different data so you know what you're dealing with. And it's gonna give you, of course, the direct AliExpress supplier link. So you can just copy this link in here. And that's the only piece of information you need to build their entire business. So now let's say you want to generate the product page and the AI images. What are you going to do? You're just going to click on create a product page in your main dashboard. You're just going to copy your product URL, which again, it can be from AliExpress, from Amazon, from Shopify. And now guys, look at this second field, which is called the product angle. This is where Pagepilot is going to dominate standard ChatGPT prompts because you can tell the AI exactly who you're selling to. So I'm going to type target audience is going to be workers over 30 experiencing back pain. For example, if your product was some kind of medical pain relief thing, okay, and the tone, it can be empathetic and medical. All right. Of course, you can also select your language, which is great, it's English. And now you're also gonna have to select like a layout. Always select the newest 2026 modern layouts, okay? So they automatically integrate seamlessly with any Shopify 2.0 theme. So for example, you can just generate like this one here, like beauty and cosmetics, things like that, okay? And you can always delete your ones by clicking on deleting here. But yeah, once you're done, you can just click on create product page. And in about 30 seconds, it's actually gonna, read the supplier data and write like a world-class sales page. Okay? So, if you select the product, here's what's gonna look like. Okay? Beautiful, beautiful. Just beautiful, the copy is perfect. Not only that, but if you're tired of this, white background images, you can just click on AI product images and you can start generating your own AI images by giving it like a supplied prompt and like a reference image, which is great. That's gonna burn some credits, but it looks beautiful. Okay, once your product is ready here on the product section, if you want to finally take it back to your Shopify store so you can start selling in there, you're gonna have to import it. So what are you gonna do? You're just gonna click on edit and import, and you're gonna click on connect Shopify. And now, once you go to your Shopify admin store and click on your product tabs, it's gonna be there, absolutely for sure, okay? So that's pretty much it when it comes to, important things, okay? It's very easy actually. And guys, I also recommend you check their e-com course in here, okay, for dropshipping stuff. It's kind of cool. But the main idea is pretty simple. You can just import the, products that you want to sell in here, and you can kind of customize them using artificial intelligence. So, the copy and the images are gonna be like better, and then you're gonna be able to connect that back to Shopify or to, any store really in just a matter of seconds. So that's pretty much it, and I hope you like it. Thank you so much.